Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. Recently, I started having problems with my Blue Yeti microphone. So I'm just going to show you my mic so you know that I do have a Blue Yeti. So the problem with this microphone is that if I am making a recording and I'm talking into my mic, you will hear a very weird background noise when I'm talking. But as soon as I stop talking, the noise goes away. So it's only there when I'm talking. Okay, so it's obviously something wrong with the microphone and not my actual background, because if it's cricket noises in the background, then it shouldn't stop when I stop talking, right? It should be a constant. But no, it's only when I'm talking I hear this weird noise. Right, this card makes you more powerful. So let's add that to this. Okay, so now I can use this attack. Okay, so that's only got 1 strength, so that's good. Let's get rid of his 1 strength. 0 strength. That means I can attack him without worrying about it. So I worked on 5 things to get rid of it. So I'm going to show you the 5 things that I do one by one. Okay, so that you can get rid of this same noise if it happens to you. Number 1, change your USB cable. Okay, so the first thing I did was I replaced my USB cable. Okay, I had an old one, I got a new one, and I simply changed my USB cable because it's possible that something is wrong with the USB cable. Who knows? Right, I've seen all sorts of cables go bad. USB cables, sometimes I use one USB cable to connect to a phone and it wouldn't do anything, but I use another USB cable, then it works. So it's possibly the cable. So I changed the cable. Second thing I did was I changed where I plugged it in. So if you were plugging the USB cable into a USB hub or into another device such as a keyboard or a monitor, try connecting it straight to your computer. And if you were connected to the computer at the front, try connect it to the back. Try connect it to somewhere different and see whether that helps. Number 3, I updated my Windows. So if you search for Windows Update, check for updates. Okay, make sure that you have checked for the update and it's updated to the latest. So you can see here that I have an update that I need to install. Click install now. Okay, make sure that your system is on the latest update. Otherwise, it could be the software that is not working with the hardware. Number 4, update your recording software. So other than updating your Windows, my recording software, which is Bandicam, which you're seeing right now, also needs to be updated. So I go to About, Update Check. Okay, update every little thing. Update every little thing. It's very important. So I'll update Windows, update my recording software, and then the last thing that I have done, okay, which is probably what fixed it the most, was I went into my video settings for the recording program, go into settings, and you can see under the sound settings, there's a filter. Okay, I had some noise suppression filters. I turned all that off. Okay, I ticked this. I had other things. Turn everything to do with audio where it modifies the microphone. Turn it off. And then this is what I want you to use to manage the recording if you want special effects and all that. Okay, you're going to download this app called Logitech G Hub. Looks like this. It's going to have a little icon in the bottom right hand corner, Logitech G Hub. Okay, you can see I also have it installed, Logitech G Hub. I'm sure you can Google it and find it. Now, originally, this app could only be used to manage Logitech devices. So I've got the webcam, I've got the keyboard, mouse. But recently, I saw the Blue Yeti show up. Okay, so I go into Yeti And then this is where you can turn on something called Blue Voice. With the Blue Voice, if you enable that, okay, and then you can choose one of these presets to make yourself sound better. So that's what I did. I chose this warm and vintage preset, turned the input gain up to 100. Okay, so the theory is turn the input gain up to 100 and adjust the volume knob at the back of the microphone to match what the volume it is that you want. So just try all of that. Okay, so if none of that works, then you got a problem. Okay, but hopefully this will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time.